Welcome to Module 10 of GDPR training by Complico. In this module, we will focus on data breaches, what they are, how to identify them, and what actions must be taken under the General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR. Understanding data breaches is critical. A delayed or incorrect response can result in regulatory fines, reputational damage, and loss of trust. What is a personal data breach? A breach of security leading to the accidental or unlawful destruction, loss, alteration, unauthorized disclosure of, or access to, personal data. There are three main types of breaches: confidentiality breach, unauthorized disclosure or access to personal data, e.g., emailing personal data to the wrong recipient, integrity breach, unauthorized alteration of personal data, e.g., data modified by someone without permission, availability breach, loss of access to personal data, e.g., ransomware attack, lost files. Common examples of data breaches: lost or stolen laptops or USB devices, emails sent to the wrong recipient, hacking or phishing attacks, weak passwords or shared logins, paper records left unsecured, ransomware incidents, unauthorized access by staff. The 72-hour rule. Under the GDPR, organizations must report certain breaches to the relevant supervisory authority within 72 hours of becoming aware of the breach. Failure to report on time can lead to significant fines. If the breach is likely to result in a high risk to individuals' rights and freedoms, the affected individuals must also be informed without undue delay. Reporting a breach, internal procedure. If you suspect a data breach, do not ignore it. Report it immediately to your manager or data protection officer, DPO. Provide what happened, when it happened, what data was involved, how many individuals are affected. Do not attempt to hide or fix the issue alone. Consequences of data breaches. Data breaches can result in regulatory investigations, financial penalties, up to €20 million or 4% of global annual turnover, legal claims, reputational damage, loss of customer trust. Preventing data breaches. You play a key role in preventing breaches. Follow these best practices. Use strong passwords and never share them. Lock your screen when away. Verify email recipients before sending. Use secure file sharing methods. Encrypt sensitive data. Follow clean desk policy. Report suspicious activity immediately. Complete regular GDPR training. Real-life case example, optional section for trainer. You may reference major GDPR enforcement actions, such as the fine issued against British Airways following a cyber incident affecting customer data, the penalty imposed on Marriott International after a large-scale data breach. Thank you for completing Module 10, Data Breaches. If you are ever unsure whether something qualifies as a breach, report it immediately. It is always better to report and be wrong than to stay silent and risk non-compliance. End of module.